Oh, Tock or sigh, caught in this way, so I must refly. November over, December started. How? Didn't have time to sip a glass and show some class, how to make sense of all that's happened. So bewildered, perplexed, twisted in the head. Oh, time is a merciless thing, stealing all is praying grief. Every tick a reminder, every talk I sigh, caught in its race. Oh, I must refly. Capone is heartless, cruel, insane, methinks you got it all confused. It is the savage, ticking up the clock, every second strikes ahead, no pause for the muse. Oh, time is a merciless thing, stealing all is bringing grief. Every tick a reminder, every dark aside, caught in this race. Every changing minute I implore, wait, I am still not in cadence with you. Yet despite my adamant protestations, it clicks to minutes, hours, days, a relentless queue. Toil during the day, based on finding all the late. The clock refuses to stop our progress of the late, trying to flip the calendar page ahead. Only left to murmur underneath, breathless air. Run after that in different train, bearing only restraint, not letting these passengers to rest, re-energize, to align with this rhythm in this endless chase. We rise. Oh, time is a merciless thing, stealing moments, bringing grief. Every tick a reminder, every talk a sigh, caught in this race. Oh, I must replay. Against the clock we all race. This amusement is me fighting, enough, tired, clean up the day when instead of racing with the bitter ticking clock, we will finally parade alongside him.